Heavy rains and floods have left this neighborhood buried under mud, garbage, and water. Streets are impassable, homes submerged, and families struggling to save their belongings. The damage is overwhelming, and the community is desperate for help. But relief is here. A massive cleanup project is underway. Powerful bulldozers arrive at the scene, engines roaring, ready to tackle the disaster. This is no ordinary cleanup. Tons of soil, debris, and standing water must be removed to restore safety and order. The bulldozers start pushing mud and garbage from the streets and houses. Every push moves tons of debris, opening pathways for residents. The transformation is slow but steady, as machinery clears waterlogged areas and lifts heavy soil. Workers support the cleanup, removing remaining debris manually. Families watch safely from a distance, children peeking through windows. The neighborhood is slowly turning from disaster zone to livable space. Each step brings relief and hope to the community. Drone shots reveal the progress, some areas still messy, others fully cleared. The difference is dramatic. Streets once blocked with mud and garbage are now passable. Homes start regaining their structure and safety. The effort is relentless, but the results are visible. Residents finally see hope. What was once a chaotic, flooded neighborhood is now slowly transforming. The bulldozer works tirelessly, pushing, lifting, and clearing. Each action restores safety, making homes livable again. This massive cleanup project proves that even the biggest mess can be tackled with the right tools and effort. A new day begins for these homes, all thanks to relentless work and heavy machinery. From chaos to order, the neighborhood rises again.